Ashley, and I am so excited for this video. I actually finally, praise the Lord, I finally bought myself the Louis Vuitton bag in the size MM, the Neverfull, and I am so excited. I'm a little guilty. I already opened the bag and I used it a couple of times, so it's quite not an unboxing, I would say, but I will still show it to you. And also I will show you the organizer I use with the bag and tell you the size and what best size fits for the bag. And I am so excited. As always, I'm not trying to brag or anything like that, but if you like luxury bags, this is your video. As always, please subscribe and give it a like if you like the video. Why is my hair like this? Give it a like and help a girl out. So let's get started, shall we? So this is the big bag. You can't even see me. Oh, wow. So this is the bag, the box. It actually obviously came with the bag, but I did not fold the bag. And let's open. Oh, epic fail. And ta-da! There's nothing in there. Just kidding. There is something in the box. And this is the dust bag. Obviously the bag is not in here. I will show it to you. The dust bag is actually really nice. Ooh. And finally, the bag. As always, I already put a pom-pom on the bag, and I'm so excited, guys. Like I said, I did use it already, and I love it. I love it. It is amazing. The quality is great. I did get caught on the rain once, so it's alive. Does it look alive? But this is the bag. Isn't it so pretty, guys? You know, I've had this bag for 2 weeks already, I would say. I paid around $14.50 for the bag. The only thing I would say, and like I guess it could be a little / review, is that the more you use it, the more on the edges here. So when you buy the bag, this trim is actually really nice, but as you use it, it starts to how can I say, not crack. That's not, I don't know. Can you guys see it a little bit? Do you see what I'm talking about? You can see in the reflection of the light. It starts doing that. Otherwise, the bag, the arms stay up. It's been staying up. Everything else is great with the bag. I haven't had any other problems. I do try to be very careful with the bag, which I kind of baby it. One more thing I would say, this is 3 weeks of being used. I would say always be careful with the edges of the bag. The edges of the bag, as you can see here, it kind of like, if you scratch it or hit it on the wall, it tends to turn white. And I had to carry baby wipes and wipe it off and for it to look nice. But overall, I think that it's an amazing bag, and if you think about it, if you really want this bag and you want to splurge on something so expensive, I know it's so ridiculous expensive, but if you change bags, every few months you buy $100 bag, and another $100 bag, that's like, you're gonna be wasting, I feel, money. I don't know if, does that make sense? But yeah, this is the bag. Why is it doing this? And this pom-pom, I got it from Amazon, and it's a very, it feels very high quality. Does not feel like plastic, does not feel like those cheap from the 99-cent store. I am very, very excited, and I don't know what else to say, guys. Also, as you know, it comes with this. So I actually wanted to show you guys this. This is my iPhone 7 Plus. Oh, the little baby. And it actually fits here. And it fits up to here. Let me see if I can add a wallet inside for you guys to see what also fits in here. So do you see? So there's a big Kate Spade wallet, my phone, and this is how it's going to look, which is not bad. I can use this. I'm very, very excited. Maybe I should get a pom-pom and put it here. I'm very excited, guys. I am so happy with this purchase. And I know a lot of you are gonna say, ew, why did you buy that? You could buy like 30,000 bags. But I don't care. I really don't care. And I'm actually, I have not used the wristlet yet. So it's a good review for you and for myself. And I do want to show you one more thing before I finish this video. I know this video was very quick, which is I want to try to keep these videos as short as possible because then they get boring. And I did purchase an organizer. This organizer is the size large. I bought it from Amazon. I will leave the link down below if you want. The bag, if you leave it as itself, if you like that slouchy look, let's see if I leave it here. Do you see how it like falls? And it doesn't keep its original structure. I think that you should invest in one of these. I got it in the size medium when I first bought it, and it fit a little big inside, so it did not give me the whole structure look that I was looking for. Of course, if you like that slouchy look, like falling, and when you put it on the bag, then you can definitely go for the medium. But I like my bag, since this is a very expensive bag, I wanted to get something that holds the bag up and standing. And I know that the bag shapers are also, they're the ones that go on the bottom. I think that I did not want that. I kind of wanted something to protect the inside, because what if I want to sell it? I don't want it to be dirty or pen mark or lipsticks or lip gloss, or I don't know, coffee spills or whatever happens. I want it to be full protected as much as possible. So let me put this inside for you guys to see. As I said, this is the size large. Let me just put it, because I don't want it to fall. And this is how it looks. Do you see how it holds up the whole entire bag? I hope you could hear me. The whole entire bag. The medium one kind of stopped right here, and it did not hold the bag. Now let's see with the bag shaper how it does look. Do you guys see the difference? How with the bag shaper, with the organizer, it holds up the whole bag. But if I was to take it out and just leave it like without it, I think that it will look slouchy. And that's, of course, if that's what you like, then that's great. With myself, I don't like that. And this organizer. I'm just gonna take it out for you guys can see. This organizer does have compartments. It has one big one here, which is where I put my laptop and my notebook. It has small ones here. I put my medicine in here, and I put pens in here. This I don't really use, but oh look, I have $1. Ah! I found $1, and $1 is always good, guys. And this side I don't really use. Let's put that $1 back there. And also you have outside in these pockets. Do you see? I'm just gonna give you the overview. And this I purchased in Amazon for about $26.99, but trust me, it's well worth the money. If you want to protect your bag, if you don't want your bag to slouch, if you want your bag to hold its shape, and on top of that, what was more important for me, that I did not want it to get dirty howsoever. So I ordered this one and waited, ordered the medium, sent it back. I did not like it because it did not, my bag still folded with the medium size. I ended up getting the large. It holds perfectly, and it's just, I think it's just a great investment, especially if you don't want it to get dirty. So I didn't even take it out yet, and I put the organizer inside, and yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys. It was just an amazing purchase. The inside is red. You guys, I know if you click on my video, you've probably seen so many reviews on this, so you guys know inside I'm really not gonna go into the full depth review about this bag. It is made in the USA, which I really wanted a bag that was made in France, but they didn't have it, and it really just doesn't make a lot of a difference for me. Maybe one day if I do end up visiting over there, I can buy one straight from France. But otherwise, everything is great with the bag. Like I said, it's been 2 to 3 weeks. I have the bag. It's amazing. It's great. I don't have an issue with it. Please, I do. Oh, that's my boyfriend, if you didn't see him. But please, if you do end up having, I suggest you getting one of these, because it's important that you protect it, especially investment. If you want to sell this bag, I remember when I was researching on this bag, I did not find one that's less than $800, $900. But when I click on those bags, it had stains, it had odors, there was always a flaw inside. So I think that it's very important to always try to take care of your bags for investments, for especially when you don't have a lot of money, and you really need to try and have the bag as clean as possible if you ever want to sell it back. And yeah, I am really excited. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been 13 long minutes. It says 13:39 seconds. I'm really excited, and I think I said that like a million times, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do and you're still here, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any other questions or concerns, as always, I'm gonna link everything down below. And I hope you guys have a great holiday, and see you later. Bye, cuties.